This device will transform your wired CarPlay into the wireless CarPlay. So let's see how it works. For this device to work, you also need to have the wired CarPlay. So if you plug in your device with the wire, with the cable, you will be able to see it here like this. But sometimes you don't want to keep your phone always on the cable, because sometimes your battery is full, so you want to have it wireless. You don't want to put the cable every time, and of course it is more convenient just when you enter the car, you will see it immediately without the need to put any cable. So let's see how we can connect the device and how it will work. So as you can see, the device is very simple. It is with USB-C. We'll plug it in, and we'll replace all this mess with only this simple device. Inside the box you will also get this if you need to glue it somewhere, and these two USB, I think you can choose either size depending what your card supports, so we'll try that right now. And also you will get instruction manual if you need to set it up, or it will show you how you can update the system as well. As my car has USB, I put USB and here USB-C, and you can see it is showing red color because it is still not connected. So on your device, turn on the Bluetooth first. We should see auto connect here. As you can see here, auto kit. This is the one where we'll join, and it says connected. And I got immediately here CarPlay, as you can see here. Confirm here that we want to use the CarPlay. Once it is connecting, I think it is connected. Yes, now we are wirelessly connected to the phone, and you can see that all this bulk of cables we replace simply. Now I can put my phone anywhere I want, even here, and I can keep it here, and this I can close, and it will be very smooth, like without any cables. So how cool is that? Of course, this device can work also with Android phone, and also if you have that USB-C only, as I showed you, and of course now you can use all your apps, maps, everything else, calls, all in one. But again, I'm stressing that you already need to have this to work with the wired connection with the cable. It will not give you this if you don't already have it. So this is just to replace the cable with the Wi-Fi version, which is very convenient to have in the car. If you like the device, you can order it from the link below. Let's see how long it will take from starting the car to connect it wirelessly now on the CarPlay. And you can see only 1 second, and now it is already connected, and you can use Google Maps, and there is no any cable attached to the phone. So really quick indeed. And let's see now in use, is there any lag? From time to time it gets lost, as you can see here now.
Head southwest toward Crescent Drive.
It is recalibrating.
Right.
I'm not sure, is it happening because of the Wi-Fi or because of the phone and the maps connection, but sometimes it is off, so I'm not sure. You can see now here, like it's showing I'm going on that road, which is completely not correct. You can see, if I'm not wrong, this was not happening before on the cable, and my phone is connected to network also, so it should get the best signal possible. But as you can see, sometimes it is not coming correctly. Again, not sure, is it because of the phone or because of the Wi-Fi signal. You can see now it's changing. I'm not even going that way, I'm still on this way. So let's see now how long it will take it to recalibrate again.
In 100 meters at the roundabout, take the 4th exit.
You can see I'm completely going on that way, and just now it recalibrated. So I'm not sure, like the quality of the connection, maybe it's not as good as with the cable, but still it is very convenient, like to have it without these messy cables. If you need just to look at the maps and all these things, I would say definitely worth this money. So if you like it, you can order it from the link below. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.
In 500 meters at the roundabout, take the 1st exit.